Good evening everyone. So here today topic is how to convert recurring decimal. In the last class I told you what are these recurring decimal, which are non-terminating but repeating. Like I give you example 0.333333, 0.131313. So these are recurring decimal. So now our topic is how to convert recurring decimal into fraction. So we will see how we can convert this recurring decimal into fraction. Now here first what I will do, I give you basic idea. Like here that is NCERT based method. After that I tell you the short trick. Short trick, like within 5 seconds we try to solve this type of question. So here first I take one question where I give you basic idea. Okay, so now here my first question is, like for example recurring decimal like 0.333333. We take it as x. So we have to find which is numerator by denominator. We have to find the fraction value numerator by denominator for this. Okay, so I take it as equation number 1. 0.3333 is equal to x. Now this is left hand side. This is right hand side. And the rule is we can multiply both sides by same number. So what I do, I multiply both sides by 10. And you know, as you multiply x with 10, we get 10x. And in a decimal, when we multiply with 10, our decimal will shift one place on the right. 0.333 अगर 10 से multiply करेंगे, it become 3.33, 333 and so. This is just basic idea. I give you short trick. After that, I call it as equation number 2. Now just to understand the concept, what we will do, equation number 2 minus equation number 1. From the second equation, I subtract first equation. And what is our first equation here? X is equal to 0.33333. This is our first equation. So we subtract left hand side as well as right hand side. Now the left hand side 10x minus x, we get 9x. Yes or no? Yes, 9x. Whereas on the right hand side it is 3.333 minus 0.333. So the part after decimal is exactly same. Whereas this is 3 minus 0, we get 3. So now here what we are getting, 9x is equal to 3. So it means x is equal to 3 by 9, which is 1 by 3. So this is the fraction value here, 1 by 3 we get. But point here is, I'm not in favor of this method. Why? One thing is it is time consuming. For simple question it take around 40 seconds. Whereas we can solve this type of question in 1 second. And second thing, you just remember here we getting 9 here in denominator. Because when I tell in the short trick how, like here 9 is there, then student they ask how come 9 is there. Okay, so this 9 is coming in the denominator. If we have miscellaneous question like 11.2343434, student they get confused how to solve this question. Whether we have to multiply that x with 10x or 100x or 1000x, and out of that we have to subtract 1x, 10x, 100x. तो यही चीजें होंगी. But here what I do, I categorize the question in three type 1, type 2, type 3, and believe me, here it will require 5 seconds, not more than that. I start with type 1 question. Same question like 0.33333. So we will see our type 1. Let me take 3 example, and what I tell you, I follow the rule of 3. Because here what I found, when I take one example, 50% student understand the concept. With the second example, 90% student understand the concept. With the third example, 99.99%. The rest 0.001% you have recording with you, you can see the recording. Okay, so here this is type 1 question. Let me take 3 example, first, second, third. Like my question here is 0.3333 and so on. This is my first question. And now the second question here is 0.131313. So this is second question. Third question is 0.123 123 123 and so on. So we have this 3 example here. Okay. So now what we will do here, we have to find numerator by denominator. Numerator by denominator, numerator by denominator. Now let me tell you one thing. School days, if you are able to recall this 0.3333, we express like 0.3. Last class I told you vinculum, that is different thing, that is also bar, but that for calculation. But the purpose of this bar is repetition. इस बार के अंदर जितने भी डिजिट होंगे वो रिपीट होते जाएंगे. जैसे 3 है, सिर्फ 3 रिपीट हो रहा है. सेकंड केस में जैसे 1 और 3 रिपीट हो रहा है, तो वी पुट बार ऑन 1 and 3. थर्ड केस, दिस इज 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, so we express it like 0.123 bar on 1 2 3. This 1 2 3 repeats. So here this is 0.333, 0.131313, 0.123 123 123. Numerator by denominator, numerator by denominator, numerator by denominator. First we will see the denominator, and it is very easy. I tell you rule for this denominator. Now here what is the rule here? In our denominator we have as many 9. We have as many 9 as many digit under the bar. See, there is 1 digit, so we have 1 9. I repeat, second question, there are 2 digit, so we have double 9. And the third question, there are the 3 digit under the bar, so we have triple 9. So we have as many 9 as many digit under the bar, so there is 1, so 1 9, there are 2 digit 2 9, 3 digit triple 9. As simple as that. Now the numerator is number as it is, because these are very easy question. So numerator number as it is, so this is 3 by 9. This is 13 second question, so this is 13 by 99. Third question, it is 123 upon 999, but you have to simplify. Here answer is 1 by 3. Here it is same 13 by 99. And the third question, if you simplify, it is 41 by 333 we get. That is the idea. तो पहले क्वेश्चन में आंसर आ रहा है 1 by 3, सेकंड क्वेश्चन 13 by 99, थर्ड क्वेश्चन 41 by 333. Now let me ask you 3 example, and believe me, it will take only 2 seconds, not more than that. आपको 2 सेकंड से ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. Now here I ask you question. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. First question, here it is 0.44444. Second one is 0.252525. Third question is 0.213 213 213. Take your time, I give you 1 minute. Now here this is 0.4, this is 0.25, This is 213, around 213. This is 4 reoccur again and again, 25 reoccur again and again, 213 reoccur again and again. So what we can say, there is one digit on the bar, so we have 19. Second question, there are 2 digits, so 99. Third question, there are 3 digits, so we put 999. Let me check audio. Now here first question, it is 4, so it is 4 by 9. Second question, it is 25, so numerator is 25 by 99. Third question, it is 213, so this is 213 upon 999. If you simplify, this is 71, okay, upon 333. So I think all of you are clear with this type 1, as simple as that. Denominator rule is, in our denominator we have as many 9, as many digits on the bar, and numerator number as it is. Numerator mein hoga number as it is. Now next is type 2. And let me tell you, we have only 3 type of question: type 1, type 2, type 3. This is very easy. It is main. Type 3 is also easy as compared to type 2. So this is main here, type 2. And believe me, you will understand it. And once you understand type 2, type 3 is much easier actually. Now let us see type 2 question.